Is Celette equipment really more expensive than the other systems in the market? You know, there's a myth going around that Celette equipment costs too much, that it's only for those high-end shops working on those parts-restricted cars. Let's put this myth to the test. First, let's compare. You know, Celette has only had 2 price increases since COVID, while the competitors have had numerous hikes over the same period of time. You know, we shopped around, and I can confirm Celette's prices are significantly lower than their competitors. In fact, Celette's equipment is several thousands of dollars cheaper in most cases. Imagine having equipment in your shop that's based on OEM CAD data used in the production of the vehicle, not measurements that are taken from a dealership lot after production. This is equipment trusted by the OEs for over 70 years, and all that for less money. Celette continues to offer the best performance and value to shops.